Hello everyone. Hello people. Welcome to my channel. This is Deg Beauty. Today we want to learn how to do quick and easy Ankara hairstyle. Yes, this material is what I call Ankara material. Many people know as wax material. So just focus your eyes on my hand and see how we are going to achieve this unique style. This is the leftover pieces. My people, when you are going to church, at least you have ideas. Start from the back side. You see the way I start from the back side? Then you knot. Once you knot, then we are going to use the inner one to create the bow tie. Yes, as you can see. Yes, now the front, the one that was in the front, you take it to the back side. Then you make sure you set and set and set and set. If today is the first time you come across my video, I have a lot of styles. I have different styles. In case you don't like this style, I have more than 600 styles on my YouTube channel, same name, Deg Beauty. For more explanation, I always do live on this my Facebook, and I have another YouTube channel where I go live on Facebook or YouTube, Deg Beauty Live. So for more explanation, so if you want to do photo shoot, you can contact me. If you want to see most of my job pictures, go to my Instagram, Deg Beauty. Yes, as you can see, we are almost done. Yes, as you can see, you see, this is just easy to achieve. It's very easy, very easy. Ankara, you know, with Ankara, many people don't know they can do a lot of styles, different styles with Ankara. The leftover is very easy if you focus. Please contact me for your event. We are into makeup. As you can see, this makeup done by me off camera, so I give it to people the way they want it. If you want loud makeup, I give it to you. If you want simple makeup, I give it to you. If you want in between, if you want long eyelash, short eyelash, the way you want it, I give it to you. We tie different style of gele, ashoke, provided just give me the material, tell me the style you want, then I will give it to you. Yes, I have studio here in London. I base here in London, United Kingdom. You can come to my studio if you want to have your photo shoot, birthday photo shoot, husband and wife photo shoot, children photo shoot here in United Kingdom, London. Yes, so thank you everyone. Please go and rock my YouTube channel. This my Facebook is very busy. It's a busy place. It's difficult to get if you are looking for any style because we upload many things here, but my YouTube channel is well organized. Oh my God, see the final. She is happy, she is ready. See you on my next video. Don't forget to follow this page. Drop your comment below. I want to see your comments. I want to, the best commenter on this my page, I have surprise for you. Yes, drop your comment, like. See you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.
Dead baby. What's up?
Don't you the crafty producer?
Woo, sha. Everyone need a space to glow. Yeah, and it's so obvious.